Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today, we have a new opportunity for you and this is fully funded scholarship in France. We will discuss about this scholarship to study in Paris, France and we'll discuss about its application procedure, how to register and how to sign up for this. Before doing that, please do remember to subscribe our YouTube channel if you are watching our videos previously or if you are here for the first time, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the thumbs up button to like this video and you can comment down below video if you have any difficulty till watching video to the end. So to get to this Paris France scholarship link, you can check the video description. Link is given in the video description. Please click on the link in the video description and it will take you to our website here. In the same manner, you can click on the link in Instagram bio here and it will also take you to this scholarship website here. So you can also message us on Instagram or just comment down below video and we will answer your query or just send you the link whichever you require. If you have any doubts in regarding documents, admission procedure, anything, you can just ask us in comment section. And before doing that, please remember to subscribe YouTube channel. Once you click on the link in the video description, it will take you to this page here. So you can read about fully funded study in France at University Paris Saclay and you can check that scholarship is for the session 2022 and 2023. This scholarship will cover master's program and applicants all over world can study in Paris for this scholarship. So here are some basic details about the scholarship and the university is University Paris Saclay and the country is France. Program is master's degree. Number of awards is not specified and it may vary from course to course. And eligibility is open to all citizens of all nationalities. And deadline for this opportunity is particularly 14th of May 2022. And course will start from September 2022. So up to May you can apply and up to September, August, September you may have results and in the September you will be arriving in the Paris, France. And all academic fields in this university will be covered under scholarship and you can check scholarship benefits and here you can check eligibility criteria. So candidates admitted to master's program at this university will be automatically given the opportunity. They will be accepted if they fill this scholarship application form. So other institutions are not accepted at this scholarship program. So must be admitted to this scholarship. You must be admitted to this university. So we will also show you how to fill the admission application for this university and they have very high acceptance rate, 100% acceptance rate, and you should apply for this university and you will be accepted. All you need to do is just check the eligibility and have the documents. Now scrolling down at the end you can check how to apply. So to apply you must create an account at University of Platform by clicking the link. We will show you this link and students must be admitted to a master's program at this to qualify for the scholarship. You don't automatically receive a scholarship after being accepted in the master's. If you are admitted in this university you won't be getting any scholarships until you fill this scholarship application form. So let's begin and here you can check official university link is given in the yellow color and scholarship link to sign up is given in the red color. So let's directly click on this scholarship link and we'll show you the application process at the same portal. So click on this link. Once you click on this link, it will take you to the official Paris website and here you can check International Master Scholarship Program, IDEX program is known also. And you can check the application timeline is mentioned there, pre-selection process, application procedure, eligibility criteria, every detail is mentioned there. So this when you click on this link here, so let me highlight the link first and so that you can when you click on this link here it will take you to the this website here and you can read about the scholarships here. So in the admissions you can check applying to undergraduate masters, every detail is mentioned here. So we need to apply for the masters program. So for that go to admissions and click on the applying for masters program here. Once you do that, it will take you to the master's application and enrollment page. Now you have to complete two steps: application, choose your course, then apply, and that's all. So to choose the course, you need to go to the sign up and you can check the application procedure once you scroll down and applying for a master's program. Click on this and it will take you to the same destination. If you click on this inception button in here, it will take you to the same this login portal. So you can also directly go to this login portal by clicking on this scholarship link in the red button. Once you click this link here, it will take you to this website here. So let me directly go to there. Once you click on this link, red button, scholarship link, it will take you to this here. Now, if you are here for the first time, you need to click on setting up an account here, and you will have the username and password like this. Then you just click on the login button. Once you sign up, use the same details and sign in here. So let's wait for a few seconds and just click on the login button. It should take us to the dashboard. Here you can check it's in the French language. So let's translate it to English first. Here you can check my applications. Welcome to your application area. Current application, there are no applications. So click on the new application here and let's fill the application. And here you can check the we have to complete training, civil states, academic background, traineeship, professional career, various information, supporting documents, and application validation. So here you choose the masters. So choose the course which you want to study. So I'll be choosing the let me check which courses are there. So I'll be choosing the environmental science if it is there. So I'll choose that. And so okay, here you can check agro science, environment, territories, and landscape. So choose the degree level. So M1 is for 1 year and M2 is for 2 years. So I'm choosing 2 years. Now in the training, choose the which you want to complete. So I'll be choosing soils and ecosystem management. And here you can check training session. And if you don't want training, you can skip that, but it's recommended to go for this. Then click on the next step. So once we click on next step, we have on the civil stats. So let the website load and let me translate it to the English first. You can just choose the website in the so here you can check personal details. Now choose the gender, male, first name, last name, and the date of birth. Then choose the country where you are from, and you should enter details correctly as per your passport. Then city of birth. Then the nationality one. If you have two nationalities, you can choose that. And in the nationality one, just choose the one that you have in the passport. So please do not copy paste any of the details. Just I'm showing you the demo application process. Then choose the country. You have to fill all the steps carefully. Then street number. So I will be using this random number. Then click on the next step. So it should save us and go to next step. Here you can check education detail. Fill the year of bachelor's degree you had completed. So I had completed in 2019. So choose the stream that you had. So I'll be choosing the just life sciences and in the honors. So yes, without honors or with high honors, whichever you have just I'll be saying with high with honors. So choose the country where you completed your bachelor's, then select the country. Have you ever been registered to French? Just say yes or no. If you had, then mention where you have you been studying this year. So no study this year. So previous course in a foreign institution. So choose the diploma level. So previous study. So you can say I had BSc in choose the country where you had studied that course, your bachelor's course. Then choose the city of that. Then choose the institution and then choose the course study. So you can say I had just EVS and so let me go to here and check the academic titles. So I had previous so in 2019. So this is for the 2021 and you can say in a foreign institution 2021 I had no study. In 2021 I had also no study. So in 19 I had a foreign institution degree and here you can say I had BSc. So I'll be choosing the country, then the city and the institution and the course study that you had now. So questions on your education to date. So are you applying as a part of international exchange program? So no, I am applying as full time. Are you applying for a double degree? So no. So are you considering doctor afterwards? So I'll be considering yes. Are you applying for another French university? So I am not. Have you interrupted your studies more than 2 years? So no. Then click on the next. So it should take us to the next step. So here you can check grades. Now submit the grades. So no grade scores for 2021. So no grades for this. So I had so I had completed in 2019, so I'll be submitting that. Then in the 2019, say yes, numeric score, choose the score. So I had the 4, so I had the 3.9, and okay, this is numeric score example 3.9 slash out of 4.0. So let me submit that. So now I have completed this tab also. Click on the next step and it should take us to the internship. If you had an internship, you can submit that. Also, you can skip it and click on the next step. Now work experience, if you had, submit that. However, you can skip this and go to next step. This is miscellaneous information, so select native tongue that you speak. And if you had other language skills, you can submit that and you can skip this. We had no French language skills, or you can just say beginner. Then you can able to follow a program in French, so you can say yes or no accordingly. English skills, so I am advanced, so able to follow a program in English, say yes. And for academic, did you applied for a scholarship program ID? So I had not. And then miscellaneous, how did you hear about this? So you can say internet. Then click on next step, and here is the recommendations. Enter the referee details that you want to get referred from and enter his mail. So I am randomly submitting an email. Please do not copy paste this. I am just submitting random email. You have to add the professor's email and submit that. Then you have to ask your professor that please submit the application or just respond to the email that he received, and then you can click contact referees here and they will be receiving an email. Meanwhile, you click on the next step and you should contact, click OK. So click on contact referees and are you, so you can say yes, and they will be getting an email. So okay, they has been request has been sent to them. Now click on the next step. So you can remind them again by logging in if they didn't respond in the meantime. Then certificates. So you should upload PDF format, and here you can check which certificate, motivation letter, transcript of all bachelors and CV, then recommendation certificates, and you have to add that in the motivation, just add the certificate. So I have uploaded all the required documents here. Then click on the next step and it should take us to the application validation. Here you can check validate my application. You may not submit your application because your file is invalid, areas problem highlighted. Click on the OK. So in the recommendations, so we have to get recommended and you can just click on the next step and they should, so it won't be actually get accepted as currently there we have some missing information. So click on the next step. So let's check, cross check the details. Here you can check in the recommendations you are about to submit application for. So when you click on the validate, so your areas in the field highlighted are having some problems. So click on the recommendations again. So you can check recommendation is pending. So just ask your professors to quickly submit the recommendation, and once their progress is complete, here a tick will be submitted and you will be able to submit this application. And then you can go to my account and have the all details cross checked against the applications, and here you can check to be validated. So once your professors complete the formality of recommendations, you can validate this application and you can submit it, and then you can proceed to the other steps if required. So once you will be accepted, you'll be sent a link to submit. Just tick that I'll be financially unstable to submit the application fees during my throughout the course, and you have to just fill the few details and you will be accepted for the scholarship too if you accepted for the admissions. I hope you understood this process for the France. If you still any doubt, so other France scholarships may be very hectic for you as their procedure is very difficult, so you can't apply yourself for the scholarships as you have to request the universities to submit the application for scholarships. So if you apply for the campus France or other scholarships, and here you can check easily, you have to just fill the application for admission and you'll be automatically accepted considered for the scholarships. I hope you understood this process. You can get this, again I am reminding, you can get this Paris France scholarship link from the video description. Link is mentioned in the description. Click on that and it will take you here. If you still any doubt, you can message us on Instagram and you can comment down below in the comment section and we will answer your queries, doubts, if you're whatever you have. And regarding documents, we will also help you and our team is here to help you. If you have any still doubt, for that, just message us on Instagram. Before doing that, please do remember to subscribe our YouTube channel. With this, I am signing off for full scholarships. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day ahead.